Good morning students, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we had started exercise 16.2 and we have solved some question from the exercise. Today also we'll continue with this exercise. So here we have question number 2, find the rate when we have principal, simple interest and time. Time is given in mixed fraction, okay. This we have to convert in improper fraction, okay. Now how to convert? 4 into 2, 8 plus 1. 9 by 2 here, okay, 9 by 2 here, understood? Now you know the formula to find rate. So rate equal to simple interest into 100 by principal into time. I use the value. So 2025 SI is given into 100 by 7500. This is principal into 9 by 2. This is time, okay, 9 by 2. This is time. Now when you calculate, so 2 you have to write here in numerator place, okay. 2 you have to write here and 9 as it is to write here, understood? Now reduce the term. This 2 0 cancel by this 2 0. Now 5 15 time 75. Now 5 into 4 20. Now 2 left, 2 we cannot divide, so we have to take 0 first, then 2 and 5 25, then 5 5 25, okay. Now again it will go by 5, 5 3 times 15, 5 into 8 40 and 5 into 1 5, okay. Now 9 1 ja 9 and 9 9 ja 81, okay. Now 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 is a 9. Okay, so what here we have 3 into 2, okay, 3 into 2. So 3 into 2, 6%, okay, 6% is the rate of this question, understood? So this is how you can solve when you have principal, interest and time, understood? Now question number 3, find the principal when simple interest is given, rate is given and time is given. Again time is given in mixed fraction, then convert it into improper fraction. How to convert? 3 into 2 6 plus 1 7 by 2 here, okay. Now you know the formula to find principal, simple interest into 100 by rate into time, by rate into time, okay. Now use the value 980 into 100 by 8 into time 7 by 2, okay. When you calculate, write here 980 into 100 into 2 you have to write here and 7 as it is you have to write here. Now reduce the term. 7 one time. Now 7 into 1 7, 2 left, 2 and wait 28, then 7 into 4 28, then here you got 140, okay. Now 2 1 ja 2, now 2 4 ja 8, okay. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 2 left, 2 and 0 20, 4 5 ja 20, okay. Now when you multiply you will get 3500, okay. Now question number 4, for how many years should rupees 9,000 be deposited in a bank to get an amount of rupees 11,160 at 8% per annum rate of simple interest, rate of simple interest. So clearly you can see here it is mentioned for how many years, that means time you have to find out. Should rupees 9,000 be deposited, that means this is principal in a bank to get an amount of rupees this much. So this is here amount at 8%, this is rate here per annum rate of simple interest, rate of simple interest. So we have principal, rate and amount, we have to find out time, okay. So you know very well what is the formula to find time. So time equal to simple interest into 100 by rate into principal, okay. So we have rate, principal, but we don't have simple interest. So we don't have simple interest. So in this question first we need to find simple interest. Now how to find simple interest when you have amount and principal. Okay, let me show you one small example. Suppose you know very well amount equal to principal plus interest. Okay, that means amount is the addition of principal and interest. Okay, suppose amount we have 150 and principal we have 100, and you have to find out interest. Okay, you have to find out interest. So simply by subtracting this principal from the amount you will get here. So when you subtract 150 minus 100, then you will get 50 here. Now you can see 100 plus 50 is equal to 150. Okay, so this is the formula, and this is how you can find out simple interest. Clearly you can see when you have 150 is when 150 amount and principal is 100, so clearly you can see there is a difference of 50. That means that 50 will be interest here. Understood? That 50 will be interest here. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to subtract principal from amount. Principal from amount, like 150 minus 100 will get 50. Okay, this is the small example. Now come to the question. So here we have, so this is the formula to find simple interest equal to amount minus principal. Just now I have shown to you. Now use the values. So amount here we have 11,160 minus 9,000 is the principal. When you subtract, you will get 2,160 interest. Okay, now use the value in formula to find time. So time equal to simple interest into 100 by rate into principal. Okay, so 2,160 just now we got here into 100 by 8 into 9,000. Now when you reduce the term, 2 0 cancel by these 2 0, 1 0 from here. Okay, now 9 1 time 9 and 9 2 ja 18, 3 left, 3 and 6 36, 9 4 ja 36. Okay, now 8 1 ja 8, now 8 3 ja 24. Okay, so here we got time 3 here. Understood? We got here 3 here. This is how you can find out simple interest when you have amount and principal. Amount and principal, and you can solve the question. Understood? 6. Now question number 6. What sum will amount to rupees 23,600 at 9% per annum at the end of 2 years? Okay, so here you can see clearly it is mentioned what sum. That means sum, that means principal we have to find out. Okay, will amount to rupees 23,600. So this is the amount here. Principal we have to find out. This is amount here at 9% per annum. This is rate here. Okay, at the end of 2 years. This is time here. Okay, now you can see we have amount, rate and time. Okay, you can see simple interest also we don't have. Okay, simple interest also we don't have, and we cannot apply the formula to find principal because we don't have simple interest. Okay, then how to solve this type of question? So first let the principal be P. Let the principal be P. Okay, then we have to use to find simple we have to use formula to find simple interest. So simple interest equal to principal into rate into time by 100. So principal, just now we have taken P, rate 9 is given and time 2 is given by 100. When we reduce the term, we will get here 2 1 ja 2 and 2 50 time. Okay, now 9 into P, 9P and below 50. Okay, 9P by 50. This is the simple interest. Okay, now you know very well what is the formula to find amount. So amount equal to principal plus simple interest. principal plus simple interest. Now use the value. Principal already we have taken P, and this is the amount, and this is the simple interest, and amount also we have here. So use the value. So amount equal to principal plus simple interest. Just now we have got here this one, okay, 9p by 50, okay, 9p by 50. Now this one we can write like this. When you add this fraction, let me show you how to add. P plus 9p by 50, okay. Here we can give 1, take the LCM, 50 will be the LCM. Now divide by 1 to 50, and we'll get 50 only, then 50 into p, here we'll get 50p, okay, plus divide this 50 by this denominator 50. So when you divide, you'll get 1 into 9p, then you'll get here 9p. When you add, you will get 50 plus 9, 59p by 50, okay. Now here also you can give 1. This is the value of amount, okay. Here also you can give 1. Now what we have to do, we have to do cross multiplication, okay. Cross multiplication, that means 59p will be multiplied by 1, and this 23,600 will be multiplied by 50, okay. When you multiply 59p into 1, you will get here 59p and equal to, and when you multiply this 23,600 into 50, this will be like this. Now what you have to do, you have to find principal, okay. So principal write as it is, then equal to, then write this term 23,600 into 50 divided by coefficient of p. What is the coefficient of p here? 59. So 59 will be in denominator place. Now reduce the term. 59 1 ja 59, 59 4 ja 236, okay. Now give 20, okay. So now here we have 400 into 50. When you multiply, you will get 20,000. This is the answer, okay. I hope this is clear to you. So today I have solved more question from the exercise 16.2. I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you.